Yeah, I'll be on duty.
See, if you were civilian, you wouldn't have a problem.
If I was civilian, I'd have a DE.
And now. The mic fly.
Resurrection.
Make the mic fly.
Resurrection.
Funny how the music put time to perspective. Add a soundtrack to your life and perfect it. Whenever you are feeling low, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are. Funny how the music put time to perspective. Add a soundtrack. Whenever you are feeling low, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are, like a movie that you can't predict, like a book that you can't resist. I sing along a song that's so sensual. Bring along a sip to make it all so sexual. Verbally, that is making love to the music means vibing to the beat at night. With the whole city fast asleep. Out cold, true words seem to rise to the lips. Take hold of a poet of me most powerfully. I feel free when the world doesn't know it to me. It's so hard to find a gig that lives up to the billing. Trying to find a reason to work out, willing I admit my thinking is wishful. Like a star upon a child gazing up to the ceiling. How far do we have to stretch the truth to fit the lifestyle borrowed and overdue? We can take it all back to the register and start all over from the canister. Let's break it all down into pieces of bright moments that pass by like a meteorite. Throw on your favorite reel, that's good to go. On the analog player, watch the people go. Sit back with the breeze and let the memories flow. Comedy, tragedy, all the highs and lows.
Throw us in the trash, right, Eric? Because
Fool.
it's just a Nismo bumper.
It's just a Nismo bumper. Kick it again. Key it.
Oh, what?
Hey, look.
Oh,
Hey, vlogging the vlogger.
It's funny how the music put times in perspective. Add a soundtrack to your life and perfect it. Whenever you are feeling low, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are. It's funny how the music put times in perspective. Add a soundtrack to your life and perfect it. Whenever you are feeling low, keep walking and we can't get far. Wherever you are. Like a move that I can't predict, like a look that I can't resist. The tingling feeling was so mutual. The lingering appeal was so unusual. Herbally, what is medicine to a lone soul can become poisonous. Some with the whole body fast asleep. Out cold, true vision seem to come to the eye. Take hold of a prophet of me most visit.
Whatever, Nismo problems, dog. Terrible. Should've just bought a Mustang. It probably would have crashed him like 20,000 times into people. Kill some crowds.
I asked my friend, the one that raced Leo, you remember that? He said, I'm like, dude, what's up? Like, why are my things always crashing? He's like, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I was like, yeah, like, why the fuck are you guys always crashing? He's like, I don't know if you noticed, all those crashes, they weren't grown-ass, man, they were kids.
Yeah, they were like.
So they didn't know how to control the torque of cars and these cars, so they make us look fucking bad.
Yeah.
And I was like, you right?
Yeah, I do feel bad for like people who actually like know how to drive and they have like really nice Mustangs, but then you have like some civilian that's like 18 years old and shit just crashing into people. Okay, I'm over this one.
Okay, we can take it all back to the register and start all over from the canister. Let's break it all down into pieces of right moments that pass by like a
So it's pretty dark. Huh? What? It's pretty dark, and we finished this earlier, but just want y'all to check out Eddie's. Oh no. Now it's just, no. Oh, there it goes.
Alright, so it's pretty dark, and so both demonized are working now.
Yo, that's so
Did you
sick on yours.
change mine?
Yeah.
So apparently
So yeah, our remotes.
our remotes are the same, or systems are the same. So I can control his demonizer with my remote. He can control
Here
his
we go.
with his remote to my system. So check it out. This is my remote.
905 perro.